Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, but I study International Affairs and Arabic Studies at the George Washington University in Washington, D.C. I'm one of the junior fellows visiting Slovenia this year. I'm working with Professor Mojca Ilc-Klun in the Department of Geography at the University of Ljubljana. She's also introduced me to a variety of her colleagues and some of her students, so I'm really grateful to be expanding my network in a country that I have cultural ties to. So thank you so much.
My name is Karin and I'm this year ASEF Junior Fellow. Currently I'm working on a project from genomics with my mentor Gregor Gorjans from Roslin Institute in Edinburgh in Scotland. I'm very grateful to ASEF organization to enable me this opportunity because this allows me to experience working in interdisciplinary groups of researchers abroad. I believe this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that can open many gates to other opportunities for my future career.
I'd like to express my gratitude to ASEF for giving me the opportunity to go abroad, meet new people, gain new research experiences, and especially to hang out with the most diverse students from Slovenia and abroad. So thank you.